हम कोई शहंशाह नहीं हैं, लेकिन हमारी बेटी एक शहज़ादी ज़रूर है।
Hi bestie! So if you're watching this video, इसका मतलब दो चीज़ें हैं. 28th मई की midnight हो गई है and I am probably sitting there with you. You are probably नहा धो के sitting in your night suit and I'm forcing you to be excited for your birthday. You're like, okay, whatever, I'll do it. But ये एक बहुत special video है because this is more like a time capsule for you to remember that not only is it your birthday, but it is also a reason for all of us to tell you how much we love you. I'm definitely not going to reveal your age because you hate that. You are forever going to be sweet 16. But ये एक बहुत special video है to welcome you to the official side of adulthood and for some people in your life to tell you that you are so important to them. And especially for me, you are literally in the center of my universe and I don't want to get emotional, but happy birthday bestie. I love you.
जब ये पैदा होने वाली थी तो डॉक्टर ने कहा कि इनके गले में कॉर्ड लिपट गई है और इनकी हार्ट बीट बहुत फीबल हो गई है, बहुत कम वक्त है, ऑपरेशन तुरंत करना होगा इमीडिएटली। तो हमने इनकी माँ को ऑपरेशन थिएटर में ले गई और हमसे कहा कि खून का इंतज़ाम करिए, ज़रूरत पड़ेगी जल्दी। तो हम दौड़ते हुए गए खून के लिए और वहाँ जाके उनकी लैब की सीढ़ियों में हड़बड़ में टकरा के गिर गए, बहुत ज़ोर, पैर में चोट लग गई और खून, हम खड़े होने की भी कंडीशन में नहीं थे, तब दर्द हो रहा था। लेकिन खून लेके हमने कहा कि अरे परी आने वाली, कहीं देर ना हो जाए। हम दौड़ते हुए वापस आए, लेकिन तब तक परी आ गई थी और खून की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी थी। और जैसे ही हम कमरे में घुसे तो नर्स इनको लेके आई और जो उसने कहा वो हमारे दिल और दिमाग और जहन में परमानेंटली इम्प्रिंटेड है कि मुबारक हो, बेटी हुई है। तो हमने ऊपर वाले को, ऑलमाइटी को बहुत धन्यवाद दिया कि परी आ गई।
To my favorite influencer on Instagram, may your birthday be as beautiful as you are. Lots of love.
It is very difficult for me to shoot just one video for you, so I thought I will shoot many.
You're pretty, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and you're the best.
And I love you, PJ. And AJ, your psychiatrist has always got your back, so don't worry. And love ya.
हम कहीं भी जाते हैं, एयरपोर्ट चले जाएं या कहीं फंक्शन में, शादी में, कहीं भी, तो हमको कई बार कोई ना कोई लड़की आएगी, हमसे कहेगी, मिलेगी, जिसको हम नहीं पहचानते हैं, और कहेगी हमसे, आर यू डॉक्टर टिक्कू? तो हम कहेंगे यस। तो कहेगी आई एम परीज फ्रेंड, यू आर परीज फादर? हम कहेंगे यस, आई एम परीज फादर। अब सारी दुनिया हमको परी के फादर के तरह से पहचानती है और एक बाप के लिए इससे ज़्यादा फ़ख्र की बात नहीं होती कि उसका बेटी के नाम से वो जाना जाए।
Hi bestie. How do you tell someone they are your life and that they are your true soulmate? They are your best friend.
They're your everything, they're your partner for life, they're just the world.
I guess this video will be a good option.
She is the only person in this world जो कि हमको डांट सकती है, हमसे कुछ भी बोल सकती है, हमसे गुस्सा हो सकती है। हम इसकी किसी बात का बुरा नहीं मानते, हम इससे नाराज़ नहीं होते। और इसलिए क्योंकि ये मुझको पता है कि हर लव फॉर मी इज़ अनकंडीशनल। शी लव्स मी अनकंडीशनली। जब हमारी शादी नहीं हुई थी तब हमारी को एक बहुत महान गुरुजी ने कहा था कि आपकी दादी आपकी बेटी बनकर आएगी। ये हम पढ़ते थे तब। तो हमें समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन हमें यह मालूम था कि हमारी दादी हमको अनकंडीशनली प्यार करती थी, हमसे ज़्यादा किसी को प्यार नहीं करती थी, और बचपन में हमारी दादी ने ही हमको पाला था और हमको उनसे ही बेइंतहा मोहब्बत थी, हम उनको ही अपनी माँ मानते थे. एंड शी डाइड व्हेन आई वाज वेरी यंग, एंड आई हैव नो डाउट्स इन माई माइंड कि परी इज हर रीइंकार्नेशन.
हाय परी, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
हैप्पी बर्थडे परी.
ऑल्दो तुम नीचे के ही रूम में हो, बट हैप्पी बर्थडे. मे यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ फन ऑन दिस डे एंड आई होप यू लाइक्ड आवर गिफ्ट एंड आई होप you play a lot of games with all your friends and all of you win prizes.
May God bless you and may you get everything you wish for in life.
We love you.
Love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे परी, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू विद गुड हेल्थ एंड हैप्पीनेस. और हाँ, साकी साकी एंजाइटी की माकी.
हैप्पी बर्थडे परी.
इस घर की जान, my little baby. I wish you find a soulmate who is just like you, as thoughtful, loving, considerate, loyal, and generous. God bless you always, my sweetheart.
पारो जो है ये हमारे ताज की कोहिनूर है. शी इज़ द कोहिनूर, और ये वो कोहिनूर है जिसको हमसे कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता है. ज़बरदस्ती हमसे दूर कोई नहीं कर सकता है, ये मुझे पता है. ये कोहिनूर तभी हमसे दूर जाएगा जब इसको अपना कोई हीरा मिलेगा, और उस दिन का हमको इंतज़ार है. और ये हमारे जहन में है कि इनकी शादी में हम इनको डोली तक अपनी गोदी में उठा के ले जाएंगे.
Hi Pari, happy birthday. The most wonderful year ahead. Miss you and I hope I see you soon. I hope you keep making the awesome clothes that you keep making. And yes, see you soon. Have fun, bye.
Hey Pari, wish you a very big happy birthday. I hope this year turns out to be amazing for you. Keep shining and smiling, and as I always say, you're beautiful inside out. Sending you loads and loads of love.
You are literally in the center of my universe, and it's your birthday, which is a very big important event for me, and I just wanted to show you that we all love you and you mean the world to us.
ये सिर्फ लाडो को मालूम है कि जब से पैदा हुई तब से लेके 18वीं बर्थडे तक हमने इनको हर बर्थडे पे उतने ही कार्ड्स दिए जितनी इनकी साल उस बर्थडे मने. 7th ईयर पे 7 कार्ड्स, 10th बर्थडे पे 10 कार्ड्स, 15 बर्थडे पे 15 कार्ड्स और 18वीं बर्थडे पे 18 कार्ड्स. जब ये 18 से एडल्ट हो गई तब फिर हमने कार्ड्स देने बंद किए.
Happy birthday, Pari. I haven't seen you in a really long time and I miss you so very much. It hurts. And hopefully we meet soon. You know why we haven't met yet, and I'm really missing you on your special day. There are some things that I'd like to say about Pari that I think everybody will agree on. The first is that when we were little, we would fight a lot. I would cry. She would make me cry like a little baby, and I would be very cranky all the time. But as we grew up, she was the one person who I reached out to when I was having a hard day, when I had a breakup, or when I had, something really horrible going in my life, and she would make everything okay. So just the fact that she was there for me, I knew she was there for me, everything was fine in my life. And she is one of those people that you're really lucky to have if you have her in your life. And I know all of you would agree with that. So yeah, happy birthday. I miss you a lot, and I hope I see you soon. And everything seems fine, like horrible things happen to me, but I know that she's there to be with me at the end of the day, to listen to all the crap that I have to say about things. So thank you for everything. I love you. I miss you. Bye.
Hi Pari, happy birthday. Continue to be this amazing warm person and also an amazing host, and only you can make as good as you do. And there's one more thing I want to say. तुम हुस्न परी, तुम जाने जहां, तुम सबसे हसी, तुम सबसे जवां. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Pari. Can't believe it's been almost 20 years now since we've known each other. and I'm so grateful to have a friend like you. I love you tons, and I'm sending lots of happiness and luck and love your way today on your special day and every day. I can't wait to celebrate it with you. Love you.
Hi bestie, girls, wishing you a very very happy birthday. If I don't make it to your birthday, just know I'm partying hard and I hope you party hard as well. Have the best year ahead, lots of love, take care.
Happy birthday, Pari. I'm so proud of you. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
It's very rare that somebody is able to find their soulmate, the love of their life, and somebody they want to spend the rest of their life with. For my wife, that's you, Pari. Happy birthday. You are as loyal as you are kind as a friend. And you are the God-appointed and the court-appointed arbitrator in any disagreement that Arunima and I ever have. You have always supported me like a true bro, and I don't think Arunima and I would be as solid as we are if it wasn't for your incessant support. Happy birthday, bro, and I hope you have the best day. और मैं आ रहा हूँ तेरे साथ पार्टी करने.
Hey sis, I have been delaying sending this video out for the longest time now, and I think it's probably because there's so much to say and I just can't seem to find the right words for it, but I am going to give this a try. I think I maxed out on most of my luck back in junior school the day that I met you and decided that hey, this one looks like a pretty cool kid, I should be friends with her. But I'm so glad that I did, because I wouldn't want to go about life without you. I'm so glad that I have you to just get on a call with and laugh everything off, no matter how messed up life gets. Thank you so very much for always being around, especially when I need to get out of my own head and it seems absolutely impossible to without you. I'm sure most people who have known you for long enough would agree when I say that you have this innate ability in you to make people feel seen, to make people feel heard and just so very loved, be it your furry friends from your colony or all of us idiots. I think you have this beautiful power in you to just make people feel so safe when they're around you. I absolutely hate being away from you on your birthday, but I am going to see you soon and I'm going to just godi the shit out of you. Happy birthday, Behen. I love you and I miss you so much.
Hey Pari, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my favorite human, my pasandida aurat. It's so difficult to record a video for you, Pari, because kya bole, but let me just give it a try.
Pari, you've been so many things to me. You are so many things to me. You're my sister, my best friend, my therapist, my toxic best friend actually, who controls almost like every aspect of my life.
But the most important thing that you've been to me is my home. Pari, you are literally my home. My day ends with me coming to you and telling you all about it. You're a wonderful person and we all, like everyone in your life, we all are grateful to have you. And with each passing day, you're becoming more beautiful inside out. To end, I'll just quote a small Instagram thing that I saw today. It might be fake, but let me just quote it. It said that human brain is active for 7 minutes after death. So I think after my death, in those 7 minutes, the brain is active because it replays all those happy memories and stuff like that. So in those 7 minutes, I think 2-3 minutes is going to be about the family, my friends and everything, you know. And the last 2-3 minutes are gonna be you and me discussing that, you know, what are we supposed to keep in that list. Promise that I'll be by your side day in day out, like LIC. जीवन के साथ भी and बाद भी times. So yeah, happiest birthday, Pari. I love you and I wish all the best things to you.
Sayuchuka hamnida, sayuchuka hamnida, sarangana nuri pari, sayuchuka hamnida, sarangi sister. Cannot wait to go to Korea with you. Cannot wait to meet Chaunwoo Oppa, who's also my Jiju. Cannot wait to meet Pagobo Gummy Oppa, who's your Jiju. And cannot wait just to do Korea with you. And as you can see, I'm on level political, flaunting and how. Love you, Behan.
She is a combination, a rare combination of beauty and brains, which she has taken from both her parents, brains from her father and beauty from her mother. She is a very special person, and she is liked by everybody, adored by everybody. I have not seen anybody say a bad word for her ever, and I have never actually also heard her say anything bad or adverse about anybody else.
You have been and will always remain our little princess, our angel, who has lit up our world ever since you came in this house. No matter how I look, you have always made me feel like a queen. You are the prettiest daughter in the world and the most beautiful from inside too.
लाडो को बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है, right from her beginning, from her childhood, बचपन से उनको ये बात अच्छे से मालूम है कि दुनिया में अगर कोई काम ना हो रहा हो और कोई इनकी बात ना सुन रहा हो, इनको कोई चीज़ ना दी जा रही हो, तो इनको किसके पास जाना है और किससे कहना है। और इनको पता है कि अपने फादर के पास जाएंगी तो कभी भी खाली हाथ लौट के नहीं आना है। कभी लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं हुआ और ना आगे होगा कि इनके मुंह से कोई चीज़ निकली हो और इनके बाप ने वो पूरी न की हो। On this birthday this year, I wish her all the good things in life. May God bless her with everything which she desires, and may she lead a life of courage and bravery and be as fearless in her life as her grandfather was. I love you, which is an understatement. My best wishes to you, my darling.
क्या हुआ ब्रावो?
In 2001, my brain decided that this is going to be my person for life. I will forever be there for you, bestie, and I will forever take care of you. You know that, and I know that. You are my past, my present, and my future. My budhaape ka sahara. Happy, happy, happy birthday, best friend. You mean the world to me, and I love you.